All right, so we got another build going on. So we got a 1997 yellow and red. It's kind of the DMX edition. So I was not planning to do a video on a bike. It was supposed to be a quick restoration, well, a full frame up restoration, but I wasn't supposed to do a video. So I told myself again, why not? So bike is almost complete. I am missing a couple parts from the powder coat, like the front bumper, my yellow springs, one heel guard, a bunch of little parts. So that's not gonna stop me to finish the bike. I'm planning to test ride it tomorrow. But like you can see, engine's in, pretty much everything is in, and that's not the shock that's going on. I got a rebuild shock right here. I just gotta wait for my spring, install it. But anyway, fresh zinc everywhere, gold wheel, Duro reproduction tire. Oh yeah, so I was about to install that keypad. Yeah, brand new lever. Anyway, coming along great. So that bike 97 and that 06 for the same customer. So guess I'm gonna do a bit of work and I'll get back to you guys later on. Like I said, I was not planning to do a video on that bike, but why not? Guys, soon. All right, so I got the handlebars on, clutch lever, throttle cable, front brake still need to be bled, kill switch. So yeah, just did a quick start. Where's my little squirter? Right there. So put a bit of gasoline in the carb, start within 3 kick, good running bike. Anyway, let's start within 3 kick, that's good. So anyway, I guess I'm gonna be finishing it up tomorrow, and I'm gonna be waiting on the parts I'm missing from the powder coat, like the bumper, left heel guards, a couple little knick-knack. So you gotta put a bit of coolant. But yeah, getting along well. Okay, so we did a bunch of progress on the 97. Completely forgot to pull out the camera, like usually. I'm getting back at that. So anyway, it's almost done. I'm getting the chain cut to size. It's already marked. Fresh zinc, new sprocket, new lock. Look good. I really love and I really enjoy building those OEM restoration. Don't get me wrong, I love those full MX build, but them OEM, a little something, I like it. So I'm still missing the OEM skid plate, my 3 yellow shocks, one heel guard. I do have the flap, but I'm missing the plastic, not the plastic, but the steel part. I'm missing the front bumper, and that's about it. Graphic kit is in the house. I might be installing it tonight, I'm not sure. Brakes are bled, front and rear. So yeah, I guess I'm gonna be finishing to install the chain, put the decals on, and after I'm gonna have to wait for that damn front bumper, heel guard, skid plate, and the shock. So I got black shock on it, brand new shock, but the spring should be yellow. So like I said before, same customer, buy most of my Banshees. You like good stuff. So anyway, coming along pretty well, let me tell you. To mention, all my OEM builds restore. I delete the tours. All of them get deleted. It's too much of an hassle to get them running properly. So even the 06 I just did, I delete the tours. But it's 99.9% stock OEM. So another thing, black shifter, got a brand new one right here, freshly zinc. That's another piece I'm missing here, the little rubber, that little rubber here. Anyway, should be getting that this week. So yeah, it's getting along pretty well, won't lie to you. Almost ready to get delivered. Okay, so 97 is done. Completely forgot to finish the video again. I had two videos going at the same time, so one for the 06, one for the 97. My 97 is fully done. Like I said in the other video, I'm actually delivering 3 bikes to the same guy. So 95, 97, and a pretty 06. But yeah, pretty nice bike, not gonna lie. Anyway, that's about it for that 97, boys. Peace out.